Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Seun. If today is the first time joining my channel, thank you so much for joining. And if you're part of the family, do it. Thank you so much. Alright, I'm gonna be starting a Forex. I'm gonna be going into Forex just like every other person, because I've realized that 2023 is a year for us to make a lot of money from the Forex market. So I'm going to be dropping a link in the description box of this video, and that link is the link that you are going to use to join the Signal group on Telegram. So once you're in the group, then we can further be giving you signals on what you trade on. So guys, that's what I have for you now, and I want you to prepare your mind so that you won't be missing out. I don't want you to miss out on this one, because Forex is one of the ways to make money online as I speak to you right now. This is 2023, and we need to have other ways to make more money online apart from cryptocurrency and all of those things. So we need to jump on Forex and make a lot of money for ourselves. So guys, if you're interested to join the Forex group where I'm going to be giving you the signal, don't hesitate to just click on the link right now. I want to click on the link, then we'll further move from there, and then we'll continue from that place. If you're yet to subscribe on this channel, don't forget to do that by clicking on the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell. Right now I'm on the street doing a street walk that I'm going to be doing my things. So I want to engage you guys more and more this year, and I promise to give you the best, and I know by so doing we're going to make a lot of money for ourselves and enjoy ourselves. So guys, till I come away again, I think I'm tired right now. So till I come away again, my name is Seun. Bye for now.